Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick little tutorial that I did for a makeup look that I did for my TikTok. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. Make sure that you guys are subscribed, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. And let's jump into it. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking my PLouise base and I'm just carving out my eyebrows and prepping for eyeshadow, and then I'm taking a Juno & Co brush and buffing that in. I like to make sure I pat my primer in because I don't want like all that excess. I like to spread it out, and you guys will see that I just pat. I don't feel like swiping helps. It usually does rub off the base, so definitely pat. And I do make sure to blend in the primer between my eyebrows so there's not like a huge color distinction when I put on my foundation. So I'm going to be using the Certifeye Affinity II palette. I'm taking one of the teal shades, and I'll name all the shade names down below. I don't really know how to pronounce them and I don't want to butcher them, so I will leave all the shade names that I use down in the description bar. But I'm basically just taking a teal shade and patting it and just doing circular motions in my crease. I don't like to right away just swipe until I have it patted all over where my eyes would normally crease. So I'm just taking that with a pencil brush and making sure I have the shape that I want. I'm then taking a fluffier brush and a lighter mint shade to blend out the teal shade that I had. And originally I thought this teal shade was going to be enough depth for what I wanted, but then I decided that I wanted a deeper shade, which we'll get to in a second. So now I'm going to take my pencil brush and I'm going into one of the navy blue shades in the palette. I'm just going to be adding this onto my crease, again adding more depth to it. I like to place my cut crease a little bit on top of where my eyes would normally crease, so that way you can see the lid shade. Now the lid shade did get cut out for this part. I couldn't get good footage of it, so I basically used one of the lighter shades and a deeper shade to create a gradient shimmer shade that I wanted on my lid. Again, I'll leave all the shade names down below. I'm also taking the navy blue shade again and just buffing that into the outer corner, and it's in this next clip that you guys will see that I already have those shimmer shades on, but I just blended them into each other, a lighter shade and a deeper shade, because I wanted a lot of depth. Oh, and I also make sure to pat my base before I apply shimmers. And so I'm taking my Maybelline foundation. No, I believe this was my Loreal foundation. And I also added the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm now taking my Wet n Wild bronzer and making sure to sculpt my face and sculpt my nose. So now I'm just taking that Juno & Co brush and going on the sides of my nose. Now I'm just making sure to pat in some powder just to set my face makeup. I also did go in with a little bit of blush. It's a Colourpop Hello Kitty blush. And now I'm lining my lips with a NYX Lipliner. Again, I'll leave the shade down below. I believe it is in the shade Coffee or Natural. And I did add a liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.